Dialogue 1. A suck-up.
Did you see Todd today?
Yes, he was so annoying.
What did he do this time?
He praised the boss endlessly.
For what? His terrible decisions?
Exactly. He said they were brilliant.
He doesn't really believe that.
Of course not. He's a brown-noser.
He wants a promotion badly.
He thinks flattery will get him one.
He's wrong. The boss knows better.
I hope so. Todd is dishonest.
And ridiculous. He makes me laugh.
Me too. He's so obvious.
He should just do his work.
And stop sucking up to the boss.
Dialogue 2. A big complainer.
Look, Karen is meeting Susie.
What are they talking about?
Probably Susie's constant complaining.
She is so annoying, right?
Yes, she always whines about everything.
I wonder what Karen is saying.
Maybe she is giving her feedback.
Or maybe she is firing her.
That would be too harsh, John.
But not undeserved, Nancy.
Look, Susie is crying.
Oh wow, she is really crying.
Do you think she is okay?
I don't know, I don't care.
John, that's mean, have some empathy.
Nancy, that's naive, have some sense.
Dialogue 3. A negative colleague.
Hi Nancy, how are you today?
I'm fine, thanks for asking. And you?
I'm good, but a bit tired.
Why are you tired, John?
I had to work with Susie.
Oh, I see. She is exhausting.
Yes, she is. She complains a lot.
About everything, right? Work, boss, weather.
Exactly. Nothing is good enough for her.
She should be grateful for her job.
I agree. Or she should quit.
Do you think she would quit?
I doubt it. She likes to moan.
And she would complain about her next job too.
Probably. She is very negative.
I wish she would be more positive.
Me too. Or at least quiet.
Dialogue 4. A difficult customer.
Hi, Davis. How was your day?
Not good, Jim. Not good at all.
What happened? Did something go wrong?
You could say that. Customers suck.
I know, right? They are so rude.
Tell me about it. Any stories?
Well, there was this one guy.
Yeah. What did he do to you?
He yelled at me for nothing.
For nothing? What do you mean?
He ordered a coffee with milk.
And then what? Did you mess up?
No, I gave him exactly that.
So why did he yell at you?
He said he wanted it black.
Dialogue 5. A headache.
The fridge stopped working, Steve.
When did the customer buy it?
Just over a year ago, Steve.
Is the warranty still valid?
It expired last month, unfortunately.
What does the customer want?
A replacement fridge, free, now.
Our policy doesn't allow that.
But he's very angry, Steve.
I understand, but rules are rules.
He won't accept repair service.
Offer a discount on new purchase.
He insists on talking to you.
Put him through to my line.
Thank you, Steve. Transferring now.
I'll handle it from here, John.
Dialogue 6. The office gossip.
Hi, Nancy. Can we talk?
Sure, what's up?
You know Linda, right?
Of course, she's our coworker.
Well, I have some gossip.
Really? What is it?
Linda is dating someone.
Oh, I know that.
You do? How?
Sharon told me yesterday.
Sharon? She's such a gossip.
I know, right?
So, who is Linda dating?
You won't believe it.
Tell me, tell me.
She's dating our boss.
What? No way.
Yes way. It's true.
Wow, that's crazy.
I know, right?
Dialogue 7. Loose lips.
Hey, Nancy, can I tell you something?
Sure, what is it, Sarah?
You know Chris from accounting, right?
Yeah, I know him. Why?
Well, I heard he cheated on his wife.
What? How do you know that?
I overheard him talking on the phone.
And you believed what you heard?
Why not? It sounded pretty convincing.
Sarah, that is gossiping. It is rude.
How is it rude? It is true.
You don't know that for sure.
Come on, Nancy, don't be naive.
No, Sarah, don't be mean.
He wouldn't know. It is harmless.
No, it is not. It is hurtful. Imagine if someone did that to you.
I don't care what people say.
Well, you should. Gossiping is wrong. It can ruin relationships and reputations. You should stop doing it.
Dialogue 8. The Grouch.
Where is Larry Steve? I need him.
Don't bother him. He's busy.
Busy with what? He's always grumpy.
He's in a bad mood today.
Why is he so moody?
He didn't sleep well last night.
How do you know that?
He told me when he came.
He never talks to me.
Maybe he doesn't like you.
That's not nice. I like him.
Well, he likes his work more.
He should relax more often.
He should drink more coffee.
Coffee makes him more jittery.
Maybe he needs some sugar then.